Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing a Lookfantastic month of October. I actually received this one last week and I have decided to open it now. So if you want to know those items, just keep on watching. So I'll show you, this is the month of October. It's actually saying here birthday edit. So let's take a look inside. So let's open it. So they have this cover. So they have this their small brochure where all the items is mentioned, and they have free magazine from Ellie or Hell. So if you like to see those trend fashions in mind, so you can have a sneak peek in this magazine. And lastly, we'll have to open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, oh my god, I guess I have to. Okay, this is the brochure, small brochure. So the first one that we got is a coredially. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but it's a Premier Glow the eye cream. It's an eye cream, so I will show you. It's actually a small eye cream. So this is example of the eye cream. Massage onto dry skin, add a little water to emulsify, remove with warm water and dump muslin cloth. So this is our first item, and let's see, we have this molten brown, a body wash. It is worth of £10. So let's take a look. This is the second one. It's a body wash from molten brown. And the next one, the third one, is Pixie Lift Max Machine. So this is the one. So wear alone or layered over a lipstick. So actually, before in my the September box, I received also a lip tint where I am currently using right now. So this October we are receiving a lip lift, so we can use it with or layered over lipstick. And the next one is and the next one we have the Ostia. It's a Renaissance cleansing gel. It's worth of £14. So this one, I guess I can use this one, cleansing gel. So there you have it. And we have the next one is a brow stylist for eyeliner brow. So this is the fifth one. So if you want to check, so this is eyebrow. So if you open, this is it. Because I don't know how to make fifth one. And the next one is the, I guess, the bubble bath bomb. So here. So unfortunately I don't have a bathtub. Before I had and used to buy a bath bomb in Landmark. There's one good shop there that you can buy different kinds of smells or flavors. So this one is bath bomb that you can relax while you are in the shower. And I guess that's the last. I kept 6 items. I guess it's 6 items, or I'm not sure. I guess all. So I got 6 items, and maybe I'll be using some of those items. But anyway, so far I'm liking every month items from Lookfantastic. So there you have it. Let me know what items that you prefer to have. Probably to me, when I'm going outside, the most is the lipstick. I can't go out without lipstick. So anyway, thank you for watching.